In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link to a picture in Google Slides. This is a quick way to make your slides more interactive. Whether you want viewers to jump to a specific slide or open a website directly from an image, you'll just need your Google Slides presentation open in a web browser and a picture already on a slide. Start by opening the presentation that contains the picture you want to use. Once it's open, click directly on the image to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a border with small blue handles around the picture. If you don't see that border, click again to make sure the image, not the slide background, is selected. Next, open the link option. At the top, click Insert, then choose Link. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, press Ctrl+K on Windows or Command+K on a Mac. This brings up a link box where you'll choose what the picture should point to. In the link box, you have a few options. You can paste a website URL, just copy the full link, including HTTPS, and drop it in. You can also use the search field to look up a link if you don't have the exact URL handy. Or if you want the picture to function like a navigation button within your deck, choose a slide inside the same presentation. This is great for menus, table of contents slides, or branching slide paths. If you're linking to another slide, click Slides in this presentation. You'll see a list of your slides by number and thumbnail. Pick the one you want to jump to, like a summary slide or a specific section. Choosing carefully here helps your audience move smoothly through your content. When you've made your choice, click Apply to attach the link to the picture. With the image still selected, you'll notice a small link preview or tooltip confirming what it's linked to. That's your sign it worked. Now test it in slideshow mode. Click Slideshow in the top right corner to start presenting. When you click the image during the presentation, it will either open the slide you selected or take you to the website you linked. External links typically open in a new browser tab, keeping your presentation safe and easy to return to. You can use this feature to build interactive agendas, navigate between sections, or direct viewers to forms, articles, or resources, all from a single image. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Slides tips and tutorials.